Hello YouTube, and today we are playing Super Animal Royale. We are doing the no reload challenge. So a quick review of what this challenge is, very simple. You don't reload. Reloading is illegal. So that means that we can only shoot our weapons by just grabbing the weapons that are available. Picking up this SMG. Nope. White SMG, come on. I'm gonna melee him. No, I almost got him. I think being in this area will be a good idea. Oh, there's a lot of guns here for me too. Whoa, there's someone here. How long were they there? Oh, this is my chance. Amazing. That was just a really lucky end. Ah, that was very unlucky. Dang. They had very nice accuracy. That's a shame. I ran into them, into the place that they were shooting. No! I couldn't get away. Aw, that's a shame. Third partied. Wow. Ah, I almost got him. Alright, where are we going this time? Attempt number 6 or something? I don't know, I'll keep track in editing. Let's go here. The farther we are from the flight path, the safer we will be, in the beginning at least. Magnum. Everybody loves the Magnum. Okay. Got 2, pretty much. I think I'm gonna choose for bananas, unless I find some grenades. Then I would prefer grenades. Alright, I like these guns. Oh, very lucky. Almost completely failed on tape. There we go. I'm all good on tape. Let's go ahead and grab this too. Alright, I like this setup. More bananas. I already got a shotgun. We just gotta find someone to kill now. What? That was weird. Well, the shotgun's practically out, so I'm not gonna keep it. M16? Man, it's kind of sad getting really good guns in this challenge because I'm not going to be able to keep it. Nice. That didn't take that many bullets. Where was that? All right. Yeah, I'm gonna replace that. I really need to replace this now. Is someone there? Nope. Yep. Silly, silly. Didn't you see that I threw bananas there? Well, I don't know how much shotgun I have left, but I know it's not much. Nope, that's all. Saw some. There we go. All right. Pistoled him. New weapon in here. Hopefully this has some ammo in it. I still have the Tommy gun, and it's gold, which is really nice. Very fancy. I'll take that. Armor in there, good to note. What's this? Alright, I'll take it, since I know this one is fully stocked of ammo. The SMG might be empty, which would be pretty sad. There might be someone in there. Alright, taking the grenades instead. Shotgun. That I know at least one shot has been shot from it. Oh yeah, yep, there's people up there. That box, there's nothing there. No. Okay, there's an armor there. It's raining bananas! Easy. Trade in for a new one. Sure, I'll throw these down. Now I have tons of grenades. There they are. I saw them. They were in a hamster ball. I got myself a little bit. Okay, I need a new weapon. I missed 3 times, but then I got it. Yippee! I did it. I got 9 kills too. I completed game Super Animal Royale successfully. Never reloaded. I went. How many guns did I go through there? Like 15 or something? Never reloaded. Nice. I love this challenge. This challenge is so good. That's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys try this for yourself. Tell me in the comments how your challenge goes as you do this. But that all being said, hope you guys have a good one. Bye, YouTube.